At the national convention of the VFW, the president today rejected speculation that health care reform will hurt the nation's veterans.
No one is going to take away your benefits. That is the plain and simple truth.
But the president did nothing to quell another health reform controversy that erupted this weekend when he seemed to back away from the so-called public option. For months, the president has strongly advocated a government insurance option to compete with private plans.
I'd love to have a debate, just all out, anytime, Oxford style if you'd like.
But at a Colorado town hall Saturday, he seemed to suggest he could take it or leave it.
The public option, whether we have it or we don't have it, is not the entirety of health care reform. This is just one sliver of it, one aspect of it.
The White House insists that nothing has changed, that the public option is still the president's first choice. But many liberal activists are deeply disturbed that a centerpiece of health reform could be reduced to a sliver. Today, outside the president's speech, reform supporters said he's compromising too much. Across the street,
it's lies! All lies!
Reform critics said a public option is the first step toward government-run health care.
Kill the bill! Kill the bill!
It's an issue that puts the White House in a serious bind. Why? Because some moderate Democrats predict health reform will die in the Senate if there is a public option, but many liberals say it will fail in the House if there is not.
Having a plan that doesn't have the public option is worse than doing nothing at all.
The only way out is to find a compromise, perhaps some form of nonprofit cooperative. But Democrats concede that reaching agreement will be a Herculean task that could well determine whether health reform lives or dies. Chip Reid, CBS News, Phoenix.